Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. Straight to the point, I'm going to discuss about the best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing, and I am creating this video keeping the long-term passive income in mind. So the first one is YouTube. All right, this is one of my favorite, actually the favorite traffic source of mine for organic traffic, and it happens to be the second largest search traffic engine. Right, people come here to look for solutions to their problem on YouTube as well. And as it is the second largest search traffic, it is an evergreen traffic. That means your content has long-term visibility. All right. And what you need to do is you need to narrow down and create videos on your niche, right? Do a good job and you will build an audience here. Yes, it's not that easy. You need to be consistent, but it's simple. Also, you do not need to show your face or have any fancy equipment. You just have to have a good mic so that people can hear you clearly. Just like, I have a mic. I have $20 mic, by the way, and it works just fine. So what you need to do is you need to find a niche, right? First, so niche examples, like I'm just going to give some examples. So one of that is software, and in that software there are many sub niches, right? For working professionals, there are different types of software. You can do reviews for them, right? For make money online niche, there are softwares as well. My niche happens to be the make money online niche, where I help people to make money online, the online business niche, right? You can choose health, you can choose anything that you have interest in. As I said, mine is MMO niche, that is make money online, and the subcategory of that is affiliate marketing. So I mostly focus on videos about affiliate marketing in this channel. Now this channel have only about 4,000 subscribers. Do not think for a moment that this amount of subscriber is small. My subcategory is affiliate marketing. I'm not creating videos of every other thing. I'm not creating videos about dropshipping. I'm not creating videos about domain flipping, all those other things, right? People are, creating videos about making $2 or $25 over and over by typing on Google and something, right? Those videos go viral. And if I want, I can get large amount of subscribers on this very channel, but I don't do it. I want to keep it niche and focused. Right? I want to build an audience that watches my videos and actually take action. I want my audience to be laser targeted. I'm not even uploading on this channel that regularly, but when I first started, I did upload regularly. All right. So you need to be consistent, right? And even though I only have about 4,000 subscribers, I actually made over $100,000 with this very channel using the help of affiliate marketing. All right. And I have already created a couple of videos about making money with YouTube and affiliate marketing, and there are two different strategies, and both videos talk about creating videos even though you have no audience and still be able to get traffic and commissions. So that's my first traffic source, and the second traffic source would be Facebook, right? Now people already talk about Facebook group strategy and such, but there is a little catch here. I am talking about Facebook profile strategy, only that because I do that myself. All right, I did that myself, so I can talk about it much freely. All right, so what you can do is what you will be doing is you will be building your personal Facebook profile with friends, quote unquote, in your niche. All right, so let me just show you my profile right here. So this is my profile here. Very simple. Okay, that's my name, and that's a clear message here, very professional looking, right? That's my website here, and let me help you get sales with free traffic. Send me a message. So if people find me via Facebook, they are going to send me a message. I actually have a lot of messages to go through. All right, so as you can see, I am I have created a very simple message right here. Like I help people achieve results with an actionable plan. And this is my YouTube channel, and this is my funnel link or a product that I'm currently selling, right? Where I did a case study where I went from $0 to $100 per day using free traffic. So if you want that, you can check that out in the description. Okay. So anyway, so the strategy is here to build your friends. So what you need to do is, here's the search bar, right? Find Facebook groups or people that are in your niche. There are a couple ways that you can build your friend list on Facebook, right? This is a slow process. This is a process that requires consistency as well, and it is not as fast as YouTube, but still this is a very good strategy. And once you build that up to a very sizable friends list, you will be able to make money almost every single time you actually do a post like this. People are gonna comment and they will be asking for whatever that you're posting. You can send them a message with the link of the sales page, of the pre-sale page or whatever, and you will be able to make commissions that way. Again, targeted audience, targeted friends are the key. So how do you go about doing that? First of all, let me search for affiliate marketing, since that is my target market, and I can simply go to groups here. All right, and you can see there are a lot of affiliate marketing groups out there. A lot of them are spammy, but you can join several of them and actually add people from that group as your friends. Why? Because they are also interested in affiliate marketing, and that's why they are part of that group, right? And you can do it with any niche that you want. For example, dog training. Let's say you want to promote a clickbank product about dog training, and you want to click on groups. All right, dog lovers in Rajkot, that's a place here in India, right? And dog lovers club, and you can find a group that is country, that is your niche, and just get in there, talk with people, comment on posts, just interact. By interacting, you are providing value to the group, and people will check out your profile. And when they see your profile, and if your profile have a clear message, so when you see a clear message like this, they will be sending your message, and that is your own personal little email list, for example, friends list right in here, that will be bringing you income. Another way that you can do is you can actually recognize some people. If you're already in the space, some people in this space, right? Just add them and check their posts, right? For example, let me just go to JK Dowdle, for example, right? He's a marketer that I respect, and let me just go to his profile. Okay, and in his profile you will see a lot of people are going to comment, right? And most likely they are going to be in your niche as well. So you can check out their profile, what they do. If I click on it, right, you will see that's Forrest Gump, I think. So you can see affiliate marketing maven and search and whisperer. So you can actually add him as a friend, right? He is also a potential buyer, right? And you can even check his posts if there is a promo post or anything, and if people are commenting on that post, and add those people. So one of the few ways that you can do. So the ultimate goal would be build a targeted audience on Facebook itself. Build your email list, right? Very important. And get sales to your affiliate offers. There is a lot more I can cover about this topic, but for the sake of the video and keeping it short, let's move on to the next one, and that is short form content, right? Right now, this is the fastest way to get traffic. You can do Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, right? Everything works. So why does this work, right? It has high engagement, massive reach, and trending format, right? Shorts are trending now. So focus on quick tips. If you're to create a video, just focus on quick tips, success stories, or problem solving videos, and try to talk about only one thing. I see this habit of a lot of marketers who are newbies, like basically their videos don't do that well because they go off the script, off the topic too much in a short video. Keep it concise, keep it focused, and just talk like for 30 seconds max. 30-40 seconds would be the max, I would say, because the attention span of people who watch reels and shorts are small. So you need to keep your message clear and concise. Let's go and take a look at my channel. I don't do that much shorts, but let me just go to my shorts and show you something, right? I am not uploading that much, but this is a lot of views, right? 400 views, 200 views, 400 views for a very short video, for a video that I'm not doing much, right? For example, this is a short that I am showing my face, and these are the shorts where I am not showing my face, and still they do very well. Look at this one, 2,600 views, very simple short video right here. And this brings traffic, right? I am actually, what I'm going to do is, let me just show you, let me just talk about my strategy. So I have all these videos right here, right? All these videos that I created. What I can do is I can create 3 to 4 shorts about a one video and just promote that video so that more people will come to my channel, subscribe to it, get to know me, build that relationship, build that trust, and visit my link. And if they like me, they are going to purchase something from me. Right? I am trying to stand out in this sea of, affiliate marketers or internet marketers who are just doing everything for just money. But I don't want to do that. I actually want to provide something valuable. And that's why I have created this channel. All right. So which strategy will you try first? Let me know in the comment section. And do you have any questions about it, or you want a detailed video about each of these free traffic strategies? These are strategies that I implement myself, so I can talk about them a bit more. So if you want that, drop your comments below. All right. And remember, consistency is key. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your traffic grow. This won't happen overnight, right? Short form content, yes, you can get traffic real fast, but still you need to be consistent. You need to be relevant. And all these forms of traffic can be all these forms of traffic can be interlinked to one another. You can have a YouTube, you can have a Facebook, and you can mix and match this strategy, interconnect them, send people from YouTube to Facebook, send people from Facebook to YouTube. Same with the shorts. So in the beginning, focus on one. If you're going to short form, focus on one, and just slowly build up that long form content as well. If you're going to do a long form, focus on that and slowly build up the short form content. Build up a profile on Facebook as well, so that you have a social media presence. You can actually do Twitter as well. I don't use that much, but let's say it can change in the future. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.